Hi guys, I'm Tanya and I have been working at Google for almost 4 years now. And if you're someone who enjoys watching my little journey, whether it's about my work life, career, office days, travel, or just random moments from my life, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who might enjoy it too. So my day actually started around 9:30. I was already in my cab and I logged in from there while I was on my way to Ananta. The weather was absolutely beautiful as Bangalore weather usually is. The drive itself was quite peaceful and then finally I reached Ananta. Every time I come here, I genuinely love the vibe of this place. There's so much greenery, everything feels so open and the whole campus just looks really beautiful. And today was even more special because it was Onam. So the entire day had a very festive vibe, and of course, I had decided to wear a traditional outfit for the occasion. So now, breakfast time. We went for breakfast, and honestly, there were so many options. There were healthy options, not so healthy options, and basically everything in between. So, whether you are trying to have a healthy breakfast or you are just here for the food, there was something for everyone. And I genuinely love office breakfast because it's also a nice time to sit with your colleagues, talk about random things, catch up, and just slowly start your day. And honestly, the interiors are so nice here. One of my favorite things was this mini golf area. Like, imagine coming to work and randomly finding a mini golf space inside the office. And then, while I was heading towards my desk, I also had to show you guys the micro kitchen. Because honestly, this is one place where you can find almost anything you want to eat. There were juices, fruits, healthy snacks, protein bars, and whatnot. After checking out the snacks, I finally thought, okay, now enough roaming around and enough food content for now. And obviously, before going to work, a little outfit check was necessary. And after that, I finally headed towards my desk. The next few hours were mostly about work and meetings. And yes, this is still a work vlog, so I did eventually had to do some actual work. But honestly, it was such a lovely day. There was a really nice festive energy around. Everyone was dressed up, and the office itself looked beautiful. And after getting some work done, my colleagues and I got a little time to roam around the campus, and I was just loving the entire vibe and aesthetics of the place. There are so many beautiful corners and spaces around, and with the greenery and Bangalore weather, everything just looks so nice. And of course, we had to see the slide. This is probably one of the most fun things here. I genuinely feel like no matter how old you are or serious your job is, if there's a slide inside your office, you have to try it at least once. And yes, my colleagues were definitely enjoying it. So we spent some time roaming around, exploring, enjoying the views, and just taking a little break before the lunch. And finally, it was time for one of the most special parts of the day, the Onam Sadhya. And honestly, the whole setup looks so beautiful. The place was decorated for Onam. There were fresh flowers everywhere, and the entire setup just felt so festive and warm. And then, of course, there was food. It was proper Onam Sadhya, served traditionally on banana leaves, and honestly, everything looked so good. There were so many different dishes, and I am just going to show you guys all of them because if I start explaining every single thing, this vlog is going to become entirely about food. But yeah, we all sat together, enjoyed the meal, and honestly, this is what I really enjoy about celebrations at work. It's not just about the food or the decorations, it's about everyone coming together, dressing up, celebrating something, taking a little break from the usual routine, and creating memories with the people you work every day. After lunch, we decided to continue our little campus tour. Since there was huge and beautiful Onam Rangoli setup, it had different traditional Onam elements and also the Google logo incorporated into the design. I honestly love the effort that had gone into all decorations.
Elaichi. I don't know what it's called in English.
Cardamom.
That's a tough one.
Is this kalonji?
Yes.
Just one more correct. बस एक और चाहिए ना.
एक और चाहिए ना?
Take this. सारे मसाले मिक्स हो गए हैं आई थिंक. There was also an event happening, and our team was involved there as well. So we went around to check it out and see what everyone was doing. There were a lot of energy around, everyone was participating and having fun. The whole atmosphere was just really nice. And I think this is probably one of my favorite things about days like these. A regular work day suddenly becomes something completely different. So you still have meetings, you still have your work, but at the same time, you get these little moments where you can step away from your desk, explore, celebrate, eat good food, and just have fun with your colleagues. And that was pretty much about my Onam celebration at work. From starting my day in the cab, coming to Ananta, having breakfast, showing you guys around the office, exploring the mini golf area and the slide, doing some actual work in between, and then ending up with this beautiful Onam celebration and Sadhya. It was genuinely such a lovely day. I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me, getting a little glimpse into what an Onam celebration and other day at my office looks like. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who would enjoy watching my journey too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.